Okay, this is September 29th, 2005. We're at the window, the cellar window just south of the portico. Ray Canetti's not really in jail. He's setting up this window, setting it in place here, and he's laying the masonry to the jambs as it would have been done in the 18th century, reconstituting this opening. He's got his lines set for running his courses across the top of the window, and soon we will have a reinstated opening here. Up above the window, you can see where Ray has dismantled the masonry, and what we're looking at is the back of the wainscoting in the dining room window above. And what you're seeing is the rail of that wainscoting, and then two stiles on either side of the window embrasure. This is the plinth, what was called the running plinth in James Dinsmore's building accounts, that sort of closes up that void below the top rail, or below the bottom rail there. This is the edge of the flooring, and you can see it's a board that still has the wane edge on it. All the way down. I mean, it looks like you're almost there.
I kind of I'm going to split the difference.
Yeah.
I took a little bit off the bottom, but you'll never be able to tell.
Okay, okay. Well, I can't tell. I cannot tell. So.
That was my intention.
Okay.
Nobody would know but me.
Okay. Now we all know.